ये हमारा नेटवर्क सिक्योरिटी और क्रिप्टोग्राफी का दूसरा पार्ट होने वाला है, जिसके अंदर हम नेटवर्क सिक्योरिटी के अटैक के टाइप्स के बारे में जानकारी प्राप्त करेंगे और उनके बारे में डिस्कवर करेंगे। ये वीडियो मैं केवल अपनी इम्प्रूव इंग्लिश को करने के लिए बना रहा हूँ। इसके पीछे और नेटवर्क सिक्योरिटी से मेरा जो लगाव है उसके बारे में तुम्हें समझाने के लिए, तुम्हें अवेयर करने के लिए, सिक्योरिटी अवेयरनेस के लिए भी वीडियो बना। वाई रीज़न टू सिक्योर, why security important, and why reason to learn about security. The basic of the point of view, your digit the time of the digital time, the all the importance of the data in digital of forms in store, the in local host, local cloud storage, and any other how a person attack your data and view the how to face the problem, the any person to unauthorization to view your information, how to how to prevent your data, how to and behind of the behind of the application to communicate itself, जैसे WhatsApp है and other of the popular application to communicate each other, the how to backend of the part of the working to explain in network security and cryptography. The explain the type. What is the type? Types is malware attack is popular. Types is malware attacks is uses some of attackers application to application are like a application like if your system to and encrypt of file to download, and that reason your system to generate a sum of error, the crash and the valuable information to attacker view, the called a malware attack. The is something is second of the type of the phishing attack. Phishing attack is a third party of the website. It is like third party website to go and share your information, and the share information like OTP and your security just like best example real world problem is the bank system. The bank system to share the bank information like bank account number, IFSC code, and etc. to share it after a get a OTP. The share of the OTP after some of attack and your loss of the money, loss of the uh, mm, loss of, अब समझ जाओ कि तुम खो दोगे या तुम उसे खो दोगे एक तरह से। It is most famous is attack is the part of the brute force attack. What is brute force attack? Brute force attack is something is a what, brute is for attack is use a board system. Board system, what is a board system? Board system is like a same of humans. The real world problem to explain the what is the real world problem is if your Instagram account or any social media handle to whom any like I am attacker to your password and hack to your system. You try the try a system to send multiple of a request to your Instagram account. The only count your username but cannot count your password. The password of the multiple of the some password of the generators, multiple of the patterns. The patterns of the helps it to in thousand of greater than of number solution generate every solution to match a username and jo- and match the solution the after is unlock the account. The humans is a, at a time is take longer of time, but board system robot system is the, at a time thousands to greater than the request to send and match it work it only to two 1 to 2 second inside the boot boot system attack to prevent prevent uh, prevent the user captcha code. Captcha code is like if go to any website and verify to your you humans are not the like use images and image to select some piece of the elements. Yeah, if captcha code is like some um, some invalid to handwriting the write the info test and fill the input box. It it called a captcha code. It it second of the part of his mm, attack is mostly the use and use and popular is to attack the technical attack the code. The active and passive the second video the first video to learn about. The explain about this active attack is simply to attacker view your information and modify your information. Passive attack is only attacker is view your information. The they explain about what is thing, what is how to prevent your data, and what is backend is the technology. The WhatsApp what is used and other application what is used. If send is the message A to B, like example A and B is a communicate point to point communication. The point to point communication is sender send to data and receiver receive and receiver send to send data and sender to receive. The both side of the communicate. The send of the data of the like a plain text anyhow of the person of the view. But to use a technicality of encryption and decryption. What is encryption and decryption? The using a special of key. The special of key only for provide authorized person. The authorized person the authorized person your key by using plain text to convert ciphertext. What is ciphertext? Ciphertext is an unreadable form of a data. The ciphertext is unreadable. The uh, unauthorized person cannot view original text. The original text to convert a unreadable form like a convert into special type of character in the yeah it convert into it's it alphabetic character to convert into numbers format etc. The it try to cannot be meaning to initialize and the ciphertext to always to meaning to generate and decrypt meaning unreadable readable form to convert it using a key. The special of key is the receiver and sender both of side. The without in a key cannot be attacker your information to view. The 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 key is a the the share of a key is something of the two types. The two types of the sharing of the key become if a transfer of the data. The both of the one is a symmetric key and second is asymmetric key of technology. Symmetric key technology is a the both of the sides is using the same key. The same key is shareable. Shareable of both of sides, sender and receive. But symmetric is a problem bigger is the some any of the attacker to view. The next of video to discussion all about this is what is symmetric and asymmetric. The become is a very deep of the topic. The easy way to explain this topic. The videos create is a longer, very longer. That reason I'm stop.